Hello everyone. Wanted to do one follow-up video for our document word index. In the previous video, we went ahead and specified a few different words throughout our document that we wanted to add to our word index. If I put on our markers, you can kind of see them here. This is what the indicator looks like. And then if we come down here to the bottom, you can see that we went ahead and we created a word index for the words online video and themes and styles. So the reader can come in, they can see, oh, this is where I need to go to be able to read more about online video or themes and styles. Now, if we come in and we decide that we want to add in some additional entries here to our word index, so let's just say word. We want to add in word for some reason. Let's come over here to references, over to mark entry. And now we can go ahead and decide, do we want to reference same thing as before? Every single time that word is mentioned, we can do mark all. We can also bold and italicize it. So for the page number format, so we'll make sure we're good there. And we only want to reference on this current page because we're just referencing this one instance of word. We don't need to add a page range or anything like that. So once we're good to go, we can go ahead and select mark. And now it's on there. But if I scroll down to the bottom, you're going to see that it's not on here yet. So why is that? So what I need to do is I need to go ahead and click into it. I need to go ahead and click into our word index. And now I need to go ahead and I have to select update index. And now it went ahead and added it. So now we have word on there as well. So again, if you didn't see the previous video, essentially what this is, it's just giving the reader some additional context into things that are relevant throughout your document. So they could go to table of contents, but there may be things buried within the table of contents that aren't going to show up on there that would be of interest to the reader. So things like online video. Maybe this first paragraph is about technology, and you would have no idea that online video was buried within technology. So yeah, document word index is very helpful to help guide your reader throughout your document.